Hello everyone, my name is Kiranjeet Kaur. Our project title is Donation Mobile Application. So in this presentation, I'm going to talk about reflection. So my role in this project is project manager and a developer. So let's have a project overview. Contribution in project product development. So as a project manager, my contribution was to manage the project task and activities by leading team members in effective way. I was also responsible for managing the project stakeholders, lead the team, assisting team members, and analyze project requirements and task and resource management. So these were the responsibilities of mine as a project manager. So I have also worked as a developer in this project. As a developer, I have developed many features in this app. So I have worked on many user stories. So about these user stories we will talk in next slides. So let's talk about the contribution of mine in project documentation. So in this, I will talk about my contribution. That my contribution in a write-up was to write the project problem. I have elaborated the project scope in introduction section. Through project vision, I have explained the motive behind project approach. Through stakeholder analysis, the key stakeholders are identified and analyzed. as a project manager as a project manager, I have identified and noted down the main user stories and acceptance criteria. I have elaborated the project objectives so that reader can understand the main reason behind project. So my contribution in sprint 1, I have worked 170 hours and put my efforts to complete the following tasks. As a project manager, my contribution was that managing project risk, time, and scope, leading the team with passion and honesty. I have also worked on the user stories with developers for Fatima. In Sprint 1, we have worked on the two user stories. The first is the login page, and the second one is the user have to register for the app by putting their name, email address, password, and the mobile number so that user can register for the app, and after that they can log in successfully to the app. And I have managed the different deliverables. uh, I have ensured that all the tasks should be done within a specific time, ensuring that a proper coordination among team members, managing the team task and assigning tasks to team members. uh, I have also done the research and analysis, the resource creation, uh, and I have also done the data analysis. Although it was not the part of the manager work, but before data processing, data is analyzed to remove ambiguities and errors for better management. In Sprint 2, I have worked for 100 hours. I have accomplished the following task. First, I have completed the allocated user stories. The I have completed the three user stories in Sprint 2. First is the as an admin can browse all the posted threads and remove any one of them if necessary. Second user story is as an admin can update information for all accounts. Third one is as an admin can remove or ban user accounts. So I have also helped develop the browsing function in app, data collection for relevant sprint, assisting group members to achieve milestones. So in sprint 3, I have worked for 90 hours. I have accomplished following tasks in sprint 3. The first one is the development of product backlog for sprint 3, management of sprint cycle. In sprint 3, I have worked on the two user stories. So I have developed two user stories in sprint 3. First is as a user can get password reset option. The second one, as a user can update their personal information. So I have collect all the necessities of the this project related to this project, and meeting and requirement gathering from the client, planning the project charter, and last interaction with group members to analyze progress. So this is the evidence of my work. In these evidence, we can see that in the first one that admin can browse all the post. If necessary, he can delete the post. In third screenshot, you can see that there is a delete post option. So with this, admin can delete the post. In the second screenshot, it shows that admin can update for all the accounts of the user or employee. He can update the all the information for all accounts. The next one is that the if any user forget their password, then there will be an option to reset account password. So the last one is that the user can update their personal information on the app. So this is the evidence of work as a project manager. So I have developed the project schedule and assigned tasks to each group members. There are a number of things which I have learned throughout the project. So there were a number of useful skills that I can apply in my practical life. It was a new and good experience for me. So I hope that these things which I have learned throughout the project, the number of skills, that it will help in my future. So as a project manager, I have learned to lead the team and also to cooperate with the team members. Like if any problem comes, then how to tackle with that problem with the team members. And I have, as a developer, I have learned many coding methods and more about the Java. uh, as a project manager, I have learned to manage team task and assign it according to team members competency. I have also learned how to collect the data and analyze it before processing it to through team members. The main thing which I think is more important in the project is the time management. So time management is very important throughout the project. Means every task you have to complete in a specific time. So I think time management is the more important part of our project. The main thing which I have learned is the to develop the features in the app. As I have developed many users, I have worked on many user stories in this project. So I have developed many features in the app. So it was a quite good experience for me. What could have improved? So according to me, working on this project, so uh, in future, the to improve project performance, I can work on the following aspect. Team collaboration can be enhanced, better and improved data analysis techniques can be used, the project requirements can be analyzed from end users point of view. So, in ideas to improve the course, first of all, I would like to talk about the best things which I liked about the course is that student have the right to choose their own project. So university have given a number of choices of the project proposals. So the student have the right to choose one of the project proposal out of that choices. The second thing is the benefit of weekly stand-ups and some question answering parts on every assessment before submission. So in weekly stand-up, students can know their progress. It helps to check our progress of the project. In question answering, when teachers ask questions, then after student answer, they give their feedback and tell us about our mistakes and tell us which part we have to work more. So I think this thing help us to gain good marks. The next thing which I liked most, that teachers were very helpful. Sometimes we have problems related to our project, then our teachers always help us to solve these problems and explain us everything in detail. The I don't think so that there is anything which I didn't like, because in this problem of COVID-19, university staff have tried their best to provide the best education to their students online and help throughout the semester. So in the So in the end, I would just like to say thanks to our Mr. Naga, our lecturer, our tutor, Mr. Eddie, our supervisor, Hangdu, and our client, Mike. So I just want to say thanks that they have helped us throughout the project. So it was a good experience working in a group and working under a supervision of respected staff. There are many things which we have learned from our mistakes, and also the teachers have helped us a lot throughout the project. And I hope that these skills which we have learned in this project, and um, I have learned many things about from our mistakes, so we will use in our practical life, and it will help us in our future. So uh, in the end, I just want to say thanks again, and it was a quite good experience to work on this project to develop a app. So thank you, thanks a lot.